What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to DerekBaranProductions for another video, and today we have a treat. We are going to be focusing on my 1988 Foxbody Mustang GT that I recently just picked up, and if you guys haven't checked out that video, or if you're new here, this car is going to get an insane amount of love within the next month because we are trying to attend our first Foxtoberfest at the end of October, and I really want to bring the 88 to North Carolina. So drop a like up on this video if you guys want that to happen. Let me know if you guys attend that, and I really want to see what it's about. I know a lot of people go. I know a lot of Foxbodies go, and my love for Foxbodies has just immensely increased ever since I got this car. I know sitting here behind me, you do see Lucifer. We also have Ruby 5.0 right there. We got Jordan just lurking in the cut. Hold on, there we go. Look at the zoom lens. We're in another level. Sup, creep? We just redid my whole garage. It needed a full cleaning, and we did just that. Got everything all organized, swept. You guys know I'm a pretty neat freak. I mean, if this doesn't explain it, then I don't know what else will. Money. Let's go take a look at the 88. It's been a minute since I've actually messed with it. I kind of have caught myself daily driving the car to the gym, to the stores, so I kind of had to put a halt on driving it because it does have originally 67,000 miles, and I'm trying to keep it, you know, trying to keep it mint. But it's just one of those cars, man. It's just an absolute blast to drive, and it just has so much character, and it fits me so well. With today's video, though, we have something super exciting. It's something that I've wanted to do ever since I bought the car. A lot of you are not gonna agree with this modification slash swap. Unfortunately, though, at the end of the day, I have to have it done because I just can't stand the factory taillights that are in this car, also known as the cheese graters. And you're about to see why they're called that. And that's a cheese grater. We're gonna be addressing these taillights today. They've seen better days and probably have seen better designs, if I'm being honest. It's just not my cup of tea when it comes to the taillights. I know a lot of people love that classic look, and a lot of you were actually begging me not to swap them. But like I said, when I picked up the car, that was the first thing I thought of, was getting rid of the cheese graters. And, you know, I might hold on to them. I might sell them maybe to one of you guys. I just don't think they personally go with the car's look. If those were on, like, my 82 over here, I feel like the 82 could rock them a little bit better. I mean, look at the 82's taillights. These are even better than the cheese graters. That looks pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. So, I mean, with this more modern look of the Foxbody, I just think the taillights are super outdated. And, you know, going to throw some more modern taillights in these things, I think it'll really spice up the look of the car. While we let the Foxbody warm up, did you guys see the last video on Bluetooth valve here? The thing made amazing power, super fun to drive. As soon as I'm done, like, getting this thing ready for Foxtoberfest, this is gonna be, like, main focus. It doesn't really need much. It needs a couple things, but yeah, go check out that video. Links right there. Absolutely happy, super happy with how this car turned out. Tell you what, man, between swapping from the Foxbody, the newedge, and Lucifer, all the clutches are completely different. This one releases super high. Bluetooth valves is ridiculously heavy. It releases pretty decent though. And then Lucifer starts releasing low, and then initially grabs the second plate with the twin disc at the very top. So completely throws me off. Here we go, check this out. We got the black carpet, guys. Screw a red carpet, black carpet walk. Here we go, bang. We're money, it's money right now. With today's video, we have a huge shout out going out to OutFoxed91 GT. Go follow them on Instagram because they made this video happen. They literally hit me up and said, Derek, we'll make you a deal. We have a perfect pair of LX taillights here for your Foxbody if you just send me out 2 of your Mustang Week shirts. And that was the deal I couldn't resist. And that's exactly why we're gonna be installing these today. Look at this, come here, look at this. She thinks she's hot. Get a zoom in on that. And she's gonna freaking back it in. She thinks she's so cool. Wearing sunglasses and everything.
Don't miss.
Little Street Speed 717 Junior over there.
Oh, look, y'all are twinning. You both couldn't get it on the first shot.
Hey, the angles are weird here, man. A little weird. She's so corny, dude. Anyway, back to what I was saying. But seriously, huge shout out to you guys, man. You did not have to do that. These are amazing. I'm very excited considering it's the style that I always wanted. And I was looking online, it's very hard to find like some good quality taillights. There's a lot of Chinese junk out there. So I was really trying to stay away from that, but these things are perfect. And I actually have one more to open up. And before we install them, I'm gonna go just clean them up, do the exact same thing that I did to Lucifer's used taillights. I just cleaned them, I hit them with a little bit of polisher, and then, you know, it really just gets rid of those really, really fine scratches and stuff. But let's get this one opened up as well, and we'll do that, get them polished up, and then we'll start taking these ones out. I would imagine it's super simple. If you look at the back of them, they have just like those, you know, it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, it looks like 6 bolts, or six nuts that are essentially gonna come off. Twist bulbs, simple, man. Very easy, and just taking a look at it, I think it's, I might have them like this. It's gonna look so much better. So, let's get to it.
Hello.
Who do you think you are?
And I'm off.
No, let's be on. Windows down, hair up, sunglasses on, red Corvette, backing into your spot. What is this?
It's a life.
Oh my god. Anyway, let's get back to the video. And here's the second one. Take a close look at that. Look at this. Minty. Hit it with a quick detailer just to get all the grime off. Which is really not much. Quick detail it, and then just hit it with some like wax. But you can see they're in very good condition. And what makes me even happier is that it's like OEM. It's not, you know, cheap stuff. Good stuff right here. Again, I'm not doing anything too fancy. I just want to, you know, get some of the blemishes out, and this will actually do it because it shined up my 13-14 taillights tremendously. So that's why I'm doing it again. And not to mention, this will actually protect it from sun. A lot of people don't know that, but if you wax your headlights and taillights, they will last longer, especially if it's not garage kept. UV protectant. Hey!
Alright, this is sketch.
Oh, jeez. What is it? Is that Tupperware?
Yeah.
Blue 42. Set height.
Ah!
Money. And that's fast delivery. DoorDash, get yours today. Actually, fuck DoorDash. They'd be charging me so much money just for a chicken biscuit. It's crazy. There we have it. Hit it with a little wax and stuff. Shine them up pretty nice. I mean, these are from, I would say, the 90s, considering. Oh, like that? I literally caught it with my fingertip. That would be bad. Check this out, ready? Not many of you have seen this, but. She's a little shit at times, something about it though. We may or we may not have a modification right here. It's coming soon. 1,000 likes on this video. Drop it this week. Just like every other Mustang taillight assembly, really, you gotta get behind the plastics. So these are the twist bulbs. So on the farthest side right here are definitely tight. It's the only pain really. Super tight to the body, but it's the last one. Oh, almost dropped it. Now, oh, forgot a ball. There she be, old cheese grater. Let's get a little comparison. Got our new style LX up top, our old cheese grater down low. I personally love these so much better. Before I fully tighten these, we just want to do a little test. And while we're doing the test, we might as well just get a little comparison. Go ahead and close the hatch. And you guys will be able to see just, you know, the different styles. So if you're almost walking behind, there you go. Working?
Yeah. You get a lot more light on the right side, it seems like.
Do me a favor, guys, drop a comment down below. Let me know which ones you prefer. We have the cheese graters on the left and the LX style on the right. I'm obviously an LX style kind of guy with the taillights. Now that we got our comparison out of the way, let's go ahead and tackle this driver's side really quick. Ooh, we got the flashlight on this thing. Which one?
Nice. Hate to see it.
Groovy, baby. We just almost lost that shit in the car. Wouldn't be the first time. I have a whole ratchet somewhere in Lucifer with a socket on it too. Hey, it happens.
Where?
Dude, we literally were tweaking something on the blower and whole thing fell down. Dude, we took apart the car, bro. Could not find it. By now, I would imagine it rattled out, but yeah, it was not fun because we could not find that damn thing. From the top, make it drop. Jordan has a WAP. Oh. Was that you? You heard that too? Fucking place is haunted, bro. Twitch.tv/daddydbp. We play games and come here, you two papi muñeño. You're going in there. Yeah, yeet. All right, taillights are in. Let's go ahead and take care of the inner panels, get all this buttoned up, and that's the installation on some LX taillights on a hatch. Goodbye, cheese graters. Even though I like cheese a lot. Actually, matter of fact, I might install those again. Just imagine like having a pack of Ritz and you just need like shredded cheese on command. Damn it, I messed up, man. I should have stuck with those. That's it, man. 3, 2, and a 1. Woo! There she is, guys. That looks so much more modern, especially on, you know, a black Fox. I don't know, man. I just love that. I love that look. I think it's, you know, deserving of that. I mean, the cheese graters, yeah, you know, it's OG, it's OEM and stuff, but it just looks so much better with this. And thankfully, the third brake light flows so well, too. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. You've never driven it before, have you?
I almost dropped mine.
How these bad boys look. So we got the left blinker, right blinker, brake lights, reverse, perfect. I've been trying to think of ideas for the headlights, guys. If you have any recommendations on what headlights to put in this car, please let me know. Like, comment the name of them, because these have to go, and they're kind of broken too. I don't know if you guys have noticed that, but you can see the plastic's broken, and I don't know if I'm a big fan of them. I was at first, but now I'm not. I think I just want to go with a really, really clean you know, clear, full clear headlight. And the fogs are in great condition too though, so that's good. We can keep those. But there you have it, guys. That is gonna go ahead and conclude today's episode on swapping the brand new, to me at least, LX style taillights on the 98 GT. 98, what in the hell? No, hell no. Huge shout out to Foxbody GT. Go follow him on Instagram, guys. It's right there on the screen. You guys made this possible. It looks freaking amazing, and I can't wait to be romping around North Carolina for Foxtoberfest. That's the goal, at least. We're gonna try to make it happen. I'm gonna be dropping a video here shortly on parts that I absolutely need, and hopefully many of you watching right now can help me out. And speaking about many of you watching, if you're new to the channel and you're not yet subscribed, hit the subscribe button, hit that bell notification icon, and for all you guys that are currently subscribed, go re-click that bell notification icon and make sure you click button that says all, so you get all notifications. And sometimes, you know, YouTube just likes the little refresh of people re-clicking and stuff, so I don't know. Thank you all so much for watching. Have a great rest of your day, and again, 1,000 likes and we'll drop another episode on the Foxbody this week. This one you're not going to want to miss. But until next time, we'll see you later.